What's up YouTube, this is Eddie VR6, another video today. We're going to be installing the RTR front grille on my 2018 Mustang GT. This isn't really going to be a how to install video. It's more going to be like just showing a before and after and some clips of us installing it. So hopefully you guys fuck with it. I got my boy Ian helping out, so yeah. Alright, we got the grille right here. How it looks with the little inserts I was talking about. You do have to drill these yourself. Little spots in there, yeah, but taking the front bumper off.
It's that black assembly right here.
It's hard to see. Oh, that's right there.
Yeah. And then from the top, it's those two silver bolts right there. And then you're gonna push down on that black little rubber thing. That'll release the bumper.
Oh yeah. Ever notice that little Easter egg there on the light?
Oh shit, yeah. Must have.
Apparently there's a lot of Easter eggs on this car.
This comes off like that.
Nice. Cool. That side's done. Gotta get the other side now. Alright, so bumper's ready to come off. We just have to drill some holes into this in order to get the insert to fit with the clips. I'm gonna drill right into that the end of the V angle or whatever you want to call it. Did this one so far. Came out pretty good. Oh, it's supposed to be recording with. There it is. Shit won't focus. But yeah, that's the whole. Perfect. Alright, we got the holes drilled. Now we just gotta clean up the little aftermath of the hole. I'm gonna cut it out. Might be better to sand it, but fuck it. This video is brought to you by Monster Energy and Rainier. Hopefully we get a sponsor.
Don't copyright us.
Yeah, facts. Or the music. Looks pretty good.
Don't got a burring tool, so we gotta make do with what the fuck we got.
So now that the holes are done, you're going to put the little inlets or air inlets, whatever you want to call it. You're gonna use bolts or screws provided with these little what is it, clamps, and slide it into the appropriate insert. It should fit perfectly like that. Now we're just gonna put the bolts in and that's it. Alright, that's Gucci. Alright, we're done with everything else. Now we're just gonna take the bumper off. Pull up on these. Then you do, before you fully take it off, you gotta disconnect the fog lights.
We put it on the floor so you can take off the lights.
Alright, the bumper is off. It's connected to fog lights, and now we're just gonna install the grille. And with this, There's a bunch of little clamps on the back that you have to take off to remove it. But it should be cake. Alright, hour later, we got the grill installed. Ian over here. Let's see. That's how it looks. We also added a coyote badge from Amazon. Looks way meaner now. Alright, we are done. Check it out. Added the coyote badge as well. Real clean. You can see right into the airbox too. Check that out. No restrictions. 10 out of 10, how hard was it? Pause.
Hey, yo. Hardest part is those fucking clips.
Which one's the bottom?
The fucking, for the clips for the grill and for the bash bar. That shit,
Yep.
it's just annoying, but overall an easy install. I'd say if you're not mechanically inclined, this shit probably gonna be a
day job.
Yeah, day job, but like, as long as you're mechanically inclined, you got it. My voice is cracked.
And beers also help, of course. This is Ian's car right here. It's our aftermarket grill